Alright guys, what is up? Another Roblox tutorial, and I actually just finished my first tutorial. It's 12:20 now. Okay, so what I want to teach you guys now is the wait method, or the wait command, or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to minimize this window first. Okay, so we learned printing in our last video, so let's just print high output, because it's going to be into the output. So we're going to start off with that. Now, what the wait command does is that it waits a specific amount of time that you give it in seconds. So if I put wait and then an open parenthesis and then the number 1, and I close it with a close parenthesis, it'll wait 1 second. So let's test that out. I'm going to run the place. Okay, so it said high output, and we couldn't see really what happened with the wait. So let's put something else behind it. Let's put print I'm cool. Okay, so now that our wait is in there, we are going to run the place again. High output, I'm cool. See, now it waited a second, and without that wait in there, it would just print them both at the same time. So let's see what would happen if there was no wait. See, there was no delay like the last one. And wait can pretty much be as high as you want, but not really as low as you want. I'll get that in a second, but here, let me just show you guys. Like if I put in wait 3, instead of 1 second, it'll wait 3 seconds. I'll put 1, 2, 3. I'm cool. Okay, so that was 3 seconds. I know my counting was a bit off, but Lua should be more accurate than I am. Now, there's another thing. The lowest amount you can go on a wait is 0.03 seconds, and that's how fast Lua can run the wait. So, instead of typing in 0.03, since it's the lowest, we can just leave it empty, like that. And it might not look like 0.03 seconds because that's a really short amount of time. Let's just run it, and okay, you can see that it was just a little bit of delay. You know, they didn't come out at the exact same time. Now, wait, this small amount of wait is actually very good sometimes in a lot of like animations. That's what I mainly use it for. That's how I define it as. It's very good with animating. But alright, let's not get too far into that. Okay, so, and you can wait, you can wait that amount of time without that U in there. Let's get that out. You can wait that, you'll be waiting for a few years, but it'll print I'm cool within that time. So that's the pretty much basic of waits. You can add in as many waits as you want. So if I put in wait 1, then wait 1 again, well, it'll wait 1 second, then it'll wait 1 second again. It's a pretty, common sense. Alright guys, I will see you next tutorial. I have no idea what I'm going to talk about, but I will figure it out.